Well, folks, he's back. The man who has been a catalyst for change, a symbol of strength and resilience, has returned to the highest office in the land. Donald J. Trump, defying all odds and the naysayers, has secured a second term. His victory has reaffirmed his influence and vision, leaving supporters in a state of triumph and optimism. America stands at a crossroads with passionate voices on both sides. Yet, Trump's leadership has ignited a renewed sense of patriotism and determination among his followers. Trump's supporters admire his pro-business, "Make America Great Again" ethos. They see him as a champion of the common man, a disruptor of the status quo, and a leader who speaks his mind without fear of political correctness. And for those of you investing in the dynamic world of cryptocurrency, get ready. The financial markets, much like the political ones, are full of opportunities. In these promising times, stay informed, stay engaged, and most importantly, stay prepared for the exciting possibilities ahead. Trump loves deregulation. It's one of his core principles, a cornerstone of his political philosophy. It's like his love language, a way he communicates his vision for a freer, less restricted America. He sees red tape and wants to rip it to shreds like a bored toddler with a roll of toilet paper. Regulations, in his view, are obstacles to progress and innovation. For the world of cryptocurrency, this could be huge. The potential for growth is immense. Less regulation could mean more innovation, more investment, and a whole lot of new players entering the game. Entrepreneurs and tech developers could find a more welcoming environment to experiment and create. But here's the catch. Crypto is still the Wild West. It's an uncharted territory with its own set of risks and challenges. Without some rules, it's a free-for-all. The lack of oversight can lead to chaos and confusion, making it difficult for investors to navigate the market safely. Scams run rampant, and regular folks can get burned faster than a Trump tweet during an Adderall bender. The absence of regulation can make it easier for bad actors to take advantage of unsuspecting investors. So, while deregulation might open doors for innovation, it also opens the floodgates for potential fraud and financial mishaps. The challenge lies in finding a balance that fosters growth while protecting investors. The future of crypto will depend on how well this balance is struck, ensuring that the market remains both dynamic and secure. Okay, let's talk Turkey. And by Turkey, we mean money. Trump's tax cuts, they could be a gold mine for crypto investors. More money in your pocket means more money to gamble on Bitcoin, right? And if Trump manages to supercharge the economy like he promises, well, that rising tide could lift all crypto boats from Bitcoin whales to Dogecoin pups. But we will have to wait and see what the future holds. Here's the thing about Trump. He's a disruptor. His actions and decisions can create new opportunities, leaving everyone eager to see what's next. This environment is a boon for crypto. The potential for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to gain value is high, and Trump's policies can act as a catalyst for this growth. Deregulation, economic booms, these are not just headlines, they are real opportunities that can stabilize and grow markets. These could send Bitcoin soaring, much like Trump's approval rating after a particularly successful policy announcement. Investors are left with a sense of optimism, anticipating the next tweet or policy change. Investing in crypto under Trump is like strapping yourself to a rocket. The potential for high returns is there, and the environment is ripe for innovation and growth. It could be a thrilling ride to the moon, with Bitcoin prices soaring to unprecedented heights, or it could be a moment of significant gains, leaving you with substantial financial rewards. The key is to navigate these opportunities wisely, stay informed, and be prepared for anything. As we've navigated through the complexities of the crypto world under Trump's influence, remember that the landscape is ever-changing. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and most importantly, make decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content on the world of crypto and finance.